Welcome to Fluree Nexus, our cloud data management platform. Today, I'm going to walk you through connecting to your Nexus dataset from an outside app. Let's start by creating a new dataset. Go to the Dataset Connect page and grab the Connect string. You can view our API endpoints in our docs, but the main two that you'll interact with the most are query and transact. Let's try making an HTTP request to run a query. As you can see, we got a 401 unauthorized message. That is because Nexus doesn't have a way to identify you based on that HTTP request. When we are running queries and transactions in the Nexus UI, those requests are being signed because we can identify your user ID after you log in. In order for you to pass identification with the HTTP request, you first need to make an API key. You'll want to keep this key safe and private. Once you refresh or revisit the screen, it will be gone and you'll need to create a new one if you lose it. In a future video, we'll discuss setting roles and permissions on this API key. Now that we have the key, let's go back to the HTTP request. We need to add an authorization header with the value of bearer and your API key. Now you can see that we got a 200 back. Let's inspect the results. Our select star from auth query shows us that we have two auth records in the dataset. The latest one is the API key that we created. The first one is the auth record that matches our logged in Nexus user account. Now that you know how to connect to your dataset via HTTP, you can use your favorite programming languages or tools that use HTTP to communicate. In a future video, we'll discuss creating your own private keys and using them with our DB libraries, as well as signed HTTP requests.